Okay, I'm going on from the circle cutting jig video straight into a sharpening video using the Workmate 2000 and the smallest and experimental MDF disc I just made. This is the black emery. This is the roughest grit of the NK polishing compounds. I'm not going to go through all four. I am going to make 4 discs using all 4 of the compounds. I'm going to use this as an example of how an MDF disc works with a rubbing compound. Okay, this should be charged more than enough. See, before, after, and that's just using a compound. It's amazing that you can use a compound, an MDF disc, save yourself what, $30 to $40 on spare discs, even the one with the slots, sandpaper, and all I'm using is a $10 2-foot by 4-foot sheet of MDF cut into little circles. This is straight out of Home Depot Kobalt hatchet. I needed one to clear out a few shrubs that overgrown and it grew a little larger than I expected it to. So this is before, and again after. Let's get some light on that edge. Okay, a bunch of MDF discs that I will replace once in a blue moon. Compound that'll last a long time, set me back $10 to $14. This entire sharpening setup, just on the rough grit alone, set me back maybe $10 for the MDF and maybe $12 for the like I said, $11 to $14 for the compound, and this will last me a long time. Hope you appreciate it. Thank you for visiting again.